warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ahmad Fajrilaha and my roll number is 17.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Damri Wanda and my roll number is 20. Hello guys, I agree it's definitely an exciting time for Indonesian football. Speaking of tournament, what do you think about our change in the next round?
Well, it's always hard to predict, but I think we saw that we can compete at this level. Our performance against Qatar was encouraging despite the ground.
True. Do you think we might see any change in the starting lineup for the next match?
It's possible the coach might want to bring in fresh legs or adjust tactic based on our next opponent. What change would you make it steady?
I consider starting Iggy as we mentioned earlier. Also, maybe we focus a bit more creativity in the middle field. What about bringing in Evan Liman from the start?
That's an interesting idea. Even Cole definitely have control the backbone of the game. But then we have to consider what's growth. It's always a balancing act. It's
Absolutely. That's why I'm glad I'm not the coach. By the way, what did you think of our sacrifice execution in the last match?
I chose. It was a bit hit and miss. We had a few dangerous corners, but our free kicks weren't as threatening as they could have been.
I agree. Do you think that's an area we should focus on in training?
Definitely, set pieces can be such a valuable source of goals, especially in this match. It's called give us and it's the tournament.
Good point. On another note, how do you feel about the atmosphere in stadium during the match?
Oh, it was electric. The fans were incredible, were they? The constant chanting and drumming really gave our team a boost.
Absolutely. It's amazing to see how passionate Indonesian fans are. Do you think that home support could be a significant factor in performance?
Without a doubt, the players seem to thrive on that energy. It's like having an extra player on the field.
True. Let's hope we can keep the atmosphere going throughout the tournament. By the way, have you got any news about the ticket availability for the next match?
Plus, I heard tickets were selling fast. The Qatar Games has really built up excitements, and we might need to explore quickly if we want to attend to the next one.
Thanks for the heads up. I'll check online right after this. Before we wrap up, any final tip on what Indonesia needs to progress in the tournament?
I think consistency will be key. We've shown we can compete with strong team like Qatar, but we need to maintain the level in every match. Also, maybe working on our finishing, creating change is good, but we need to be more critical.
Excellent point. Well, it's been a good discussion to match with you. Let's get up again after the next game.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it. Hopefully, we'll be celebrating an Indonesian victory.
Okay, I think this chat is quite interesting. Looks like we should continue this chat.
Okay, Rafa, we will meet again, and of course, we will continue our conversation.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.